Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the A6 is back and better than ever. And I will be your driver. I've never driven this car. Surprised Evan lets me. What can I say? I'm a trustworthy guy. We're in the family model. Please refuel. There is no gosh dang gas in here, Mr. Evan. How do you expect me to do anything with 20 miles of range? 6:38 a.m. and my Allegra D has not kicked in yet, so I apologize for any stuffy nose we got going on. But we're up early on a Friday again because it is Cars and Coffee yet again, Haggerty edition. What I'm expecting is a lot of the same cars. What I know is going to happen is we're not actually taking mine. We're dropping my car at Sean's right now to get a couple things done. We're doing an oil change and an alignment. So, couple things off the to-do list getting checked today. I will be taking the A6, which just got back from servicing. I shouldn't even call it servicing. The whole transmission was messed up. So that car broke slightly before the rally. Now that it's back, we're gonna use it, and I don't know, Evan might be selling it. So not had an ounce of coffee yet. So we're trying to make our morning chores and errands as quick as possible so we can get that first sweet drip of coffee. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit like, subscribe if you are wanting to see more content like this. Quick stop for gas before today's shenanigans. Oh, Evan got the little Euroflow sticker on it. That's happening tomorrow.
You can't read these screens, so you don't know when to take the card out. And now it's just saying attended.
No, you gotta hit credit here, buddy. So they had us park the GT3 kind of front and center here, and then of course the A6 that I drove is getting a little wash because it can't be looking dirty pulling up to Cars and Coffee.
That you drove.
Are you kidding me?
AKA mine.
AKA Mr. Evans A6, which is back and beautiful with a new transmission with 60,000 miles on it. The funniest part is they parked the DDE Huracan over here.
Yeah, they parked it where they parked me last time.
Let's go take a peek. Oh, there she is. Haven't seen her since last Friday. Looking beautiful as ever. I think it's hilarious they parked it over here. They're like, yep, nope, you were front row last time. You get to be over here in the overflow section. Or he could have came later, but they parked us right over here when same time we showed up. That thing is badass. Cool turnout. Fun cars. Goodbye, Mr. Lambo. See ya. Today is Euroflow. It's Saturday, it's 7:59 in the morning, and this event doesn't start for another hour and 1 minute, but I wanted to get up early, kind of get there before the festivities started, help what am I talking about? Set up a little bit, help anywhere I can to make this happen because Evan has been kind enough to host it at M22 Detailing. We are 1 cup of coffee deep this morning already, and I just listened to a good song. So, I'm ready. I'm ready to take on the early Saturday morning. We have so much planned for today. We're kind of doing like a little graduation party for myself afterwards. So, yeah, I'm excited. We're living life. We are happy. We are healthy. We are drinking water. Overall, beautiful weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, 335 sandwich going on here. Daily one. That was just the one on Savage Rally that Alex Choi was doing donuts in. Ooh, Mr. Ebub's car looking fantastic. And then we're not telling anybody, but if you guys know my car, you know the little blemish that's under here. Currently being hit with my creative antics. Also looking clean because we hit it with some McGuire's detail spray, which is the first time I've actually used this stuff. Ugh. Stuff rocks. Excuse me, sir. That low-key kind of hurt. It looks so good with the, it's just matched everywhere. Check them out, go subscribe. So it's funny, this car and this car actually have 2 separate feature videos on my channel. Dream Cars Daily, this just went on Savage Rally actually. And Alex Choi was ripping some donuts in it. So that may be where you recognize this from.
You're good, you're good.
What is it? A wasp?
No, it's a giant thing.
Yeah, whatever daily you want to do.
Look at this thing. Dude, these have been all over. Dude, that was literally just chill. I don't know, dude.
You hit it.
Bro, it's on you,
it's on you.
I don't kill him.
It's still on you.
Oh
my god. Dude. Oh my god, bro. Well,